How to change or add a location on Grubhub account. So if you want to change or add a location on Grubhub account, then you just need to simply open up the Grubhub application and make sure to sign into your account. Once you open up your Grubhub, now you need to simply go with the account option, which is on the bottom right. And once you go with the account here, you will have an option of saved address and phone on the bottom of your screen. So simply tap on that option and go with the plus, which is on the upper right, and from here you will be able to add a new address. So add the address, city, state, and the cross street, phone number, and zip code, and notes for the driver if you want to. And once you enter all of that, you just need to simply go with save, which is on the bottom of your screen. And once you've saved the address, your location on your Grubhub will be changed. So that's how you can change or add a location on Grubhub. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.